How to use Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I show you how to use Google Slides to create stunning presentations online. Let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and go to slides.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the blank presentation icon right here to start a new presentation. You can also choose from various templates for different themes and purposes: a photo album, a wedding, a portfolio, or simply a business presentation like this one right here. Click inside any text box to start typing. Use the toolbar to change the font size, color, and style. Click on Insert in the menu and then select Image to upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, or simply the web. You can also insert videos, shapes, and charts by selecting the appropriate options from the drop-down menu. Click on the Share button in the top right corner so you can collaborate on the same document and the same file and the same presentation with different people at the same time. You can see the changes you put at the same moment of it happening, as there is an autosave for these kinds of programs. You can also download Google Slides on the mobile so you can use it there. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.